Die Maximallaufzeit.
The maximum running time limits the time in which water runs while the hands are detected. Here, you can find the right setting for you between comfort and save water. Comfort, for example, means you want enough time to rinse the soap residue off your hands without having to restart the tap. In contrast, in many environments, there is a requirement not to waste water as much as possible. For example, in a country or region where saving water is particularly important, the use of water for lathering can thus be restricted. To make the settings, connect the remote control to the fitting. Select the menu item Configuration and navigate up to Maximum Runtime with the arrow keys. Adjust the slider by using the arrow keys between 6 seconds and 420 seconds. The factory setting is 60 seconds, which is more geared to comfort. Larger maximum running times are not really necessary. All settings must still be transferred to the tap by pressing Send. The check mark in the upper right corner of the remote control display indicates that the transfer was successful. If you prefer to save water, there is always the possibility to reduce the maximum duration. However, for a battery-powered tap, it should be noted that repeatedly switching the fitting on and off will reduce the battery life. This generally means the shorter the maximum runtime, the shorter the service life of the battery.